Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Junior Technologies. Today I am going to discuss passing array to a function in C. This is continuation to previous video, part 22, array overflow in C. Please go through previous video before going through this video. We are going to discuss two programs in this video. One is passing array elements to a function. Second, passing array to a function. We'll discuss these programs over VS Code, launch VS Code and create C application. Declare an array int arr and size is 5. Here we have items like 2 comma 1 comma 4 comma 3 comma 6. Now we need to pass individual elements to the function for int I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Here invoke function display and pass individual items array of I. Now we need to invoke display function. Here provide implementation for display function void display. Here we are passing integer value. So here we need to declare integer parameter int a. Print the output printf percentage d slash t comma a. Here write one statement printf array values slash n. Execute this program, Ctrl F5. Here we are getting output as 2, 1, 4, 3, 6. We'll execute this program in debug mode to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. Here we have array with size 5 and array contains 2, 1, 4, 3, 6. F11. Here we declare for loop for int I is equal to 0, 0 less than 5, true. We are passing array of 0. Array of 0 is 2. We are passing value 2 to the function display F11. Here a is equal to 2 and print a. Here 2 printed. F11 I is equal to 0. It will increment one value, that means I is equal to 1. 1 less than 5, true. Array of 1. Array of 1 equal to 1. Here a is equal to 1 and print the 1. Here 1 printed. Like that, it will print all the values. Here it printed like 2, 1, 4, 3, 6. Here what is happening? Here we have for loop. Using for loop, we will get one by one value and those values we are passing to display function. Here we have 5 values. So this display function will call 5 times and print the values 5 times. This function for passing individual elements to display function. Now we will discuss how to pass entire array to function. Remove this code. Remove this code. Here we have array with size 5. Now we need to pass complete this array to the function. Here display of array. Here we are invoking display function. Now we need to implement display function. Implement display function void display. Here we are passing array. So we need to declare array here int a printf array values slash n for int I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, printf percentage d slash n comma a of I. Remove this statement. Put breakpoint here. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. Here we have array with 5 items 2, 1, 4, 3, 6. Now we are passing array to the display function F11. Here this array contains all the values. Now we need to get all the values from this array and print the values. Here int I is equal 0, 0 less than 5. Here a of 0. Here a of 0 is 2, print 2. Later F11, print 1, print 4, print 3, print 6. Here we are printing all the values, but here we have one issue. We'll see what is an issue. Here we know the size of array is 5. So here we are providing static value, but if you don't know size of an array, if we need to get size of an array dynamically, then at that time we'll get issue. Now we'll see what is an issue. We'll check array size here. Int size equal to size of a by size of a of 0. Using size of operator, we are finding size of an array. Later, in the place of static value, we will pass size variable. Now, if you run this program, control F5, F5, here we are getting only value 2. That means first value, we are not getting all the values. One more thing, if you go to problems, here we are getting one error. Size of on array function parameter, a will return size of int pointer. Here we are passing array. If you try to find the size of an array, then at that time we are unable to find the size of an array. Here we are not getting all the values, we are getting only first value. So that value is printing here. That is an issue. Now we need to pass two arguments to this function. One is array and size. Here we need to find size of an array. Here we need to find size of an array. Int size equal to size of arr by size of array of 0. Here pass size. Later here declare parameter comma int size. Remove this statement. Execute this code. Control F5. F5. Here we are getting output as 2, 1, 4, 3, 6. We'll debug this program. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. Here array contains values like 2, 1, 4, 3, 6. We are finding array. This one is size of array. That means here we have 5 items. These are integers. Each integer takes 4 bytes. 5 into 4, 20. Here we'll get 20 for this one. Right click. Evaluate in debug console. Here 20. Later size of array of 0. Select this part. Right click. Evaluate in debug console. Here 4. Array of 0 means 2. This is integer. Integer size is 4 bytes. 20 by 4 will get 5. Here size is 5. And here array F11. Now this display function taking two parameters. One is array and size. And here for loop int I is equal 0. 0 less than 5. True. Here a of 0. A of 0 means we'll get 2. Here 2 printed. F11. 1 printed. 4 printed. 3 printed. 6 printed. And exit from program. What we discuss in this video is, one is how to pass the array elements to the function. Second one, how to pass entire array to the function without size variable. Third, how to pass entire array to the function with size. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.